In this video, I will speak about 3 ways to deploy PostgreSQL that you probably don't know about. And I chose these 3 because I believe they are following 3 main trends in the infrastructure world. The first one is the cloud native trend. The second one is the platform engineering trend. And the third one is moving away from managed services and public cloud. So let's start with the first one, which is the cloud native way. More and more companies want to run on Kubernetes. And one of the main challenges to completely migrating to Kubernetes was to run stateful workloads because Kubernetes does not know how to handle the day-to operation of the services it's running. So things like scaling, backups, upgrades are all operations that need to be done in a specific way depending on which database or other stateful workload you are running on Kubernetes. That's where operators come in. Each operator is designed for a specific software and it knows the internal logic of how to handle the day-to operations. You have multiple famous operators for PostgreSQL. Crunchy Data and Zalando are very robust one. But today I want to speak about another one, which is called CloudNativePG. It's an open source operator, which is gaining a lot of traction, not only because it's robust, but mainly I believe it's because it's vendor neutral and owned by the community. Indeed, what I mean by that is that 2 years ago, EDB, the company behind the operator, donated the IP to the community. The operator offer other features that kind of stand out for the other one. It's really focused on data integrity, high availability. It supports synchronous replication and automated failover. Another sign that shows that the community really wants to make CloudNativePG a part of the cloud native ecosystem is because they applied to the CNCF landscape and they want CloudNativePG to be a CNCF sandbox project. The second way to deploy PostgreSQL that I want to speak about is with a self-serve experience. That is done with Cloud Foundry, Korifi. So for those who know, Cloud Foundry has been around for a while. It provides very smooth and developer-first experience to deploy and scale applications. Now, Cloud Foundry is running on virtual machines. So they released, the community released a new version, which is called Korifi, which provides the same experience as Cloud Foundry, the same interface, the same command, but it's running on Kubernetes. And one of the cool features that is offered is the marketplace. So the marketplace allows basically any developer to instantiate any resource very easily. So developer can just type CF marketplace PostgreSQL, and they will get a PostgreSQL answer instance, which aligns very well with platform engineering strategy that many companies are trying to push. So the last one is quite interesting, and the project is called Neon, and they position themselves as an alternative to AWS Aurora. And so the main idea behind this project is to separate the compute from the storage. And so for those who scale databases, you know that doing this brings many advantages. I'm not going to go over them. One of the main ones is that you need different resources and hardware to scale compute and storage, obviously. And so Neon offered just that. And what the trend that it's surfing on is that a lot of companies, they cannot run in a public cloud, or they can no longer run in a public cloud because of security or compliance reasons. And so Neon is basically the way to go for them. It offers other cool specific features. You can instantly clone or branch a database like Git is doing. So it really allows developers to, if they need to isolate a specific version of the database, to do this very easily. That's it. This video is not meant to be an exhaustive list, or I'm not rating or ranking. I wanted to illustrate what are the type of modern ways to deploy PostgreSQL nowadays. If there are other ways that you think are interesting, feel free to share them in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.